So we've been looking at the ebook and how we can really engage our students within the ebook. And I want to share a really great tool that you'll find within MindTap, and that is Kaltura. Kaltura allows me to record videos and insert them at the point of context. Now I know we already talked about how you could record a video or a screencast with an outside source, or use YouTube video or a Khan Academy video, and you could upload all of those right into your course. But what if I was at this point in chapter number 7 and I wanted to say something to my students before they actually got in and read this? Well, there is a really great feature built right into MindTap, and it's called Kaltura. And Kaltura is a video capture tool, and what it allows me to do is record short videos and insert them right into the point of context, either in the reading where the students are or in the learning path. Let me show you how easy it is to do. As always, we'll go up and click on our pencil sign, and then let's say maybe right here I wanted to mention something to my students about how important it is to practice and get feedback, and I didn't want them to forget about the rubrics that I had created or what have you. I click on the plus sign, and then it gives me choices. What do I want to add? So I'm going to say I want to add something from my content, and it could be something I already created, a Google Doc, but let's say I just wanted to record a quick screencast. So I would click on Kaltura, and then when Kaltura opens, I'm going to say I want to do just a video capture. I could also do an audio or just the image, but let's say I want to do a video capture, and then I'm going to click on capture. Now here's one important thing. I want to make sure that I unclick this button, and that's going to show me all the videos. So maybe I've already recorded a video I want to use. You can see I'm quite fabulous when I record my videos, which are usually about 11 o'clock at night when I start to have students text me or email me and say, I have a question about this. I'll record a quick video and upload it right into the learning path or the ebook. So make sure you unclick that button. I'm going to click on capture, and it's going to go ahead and turn on my webcam. I will allow it. And you can see as it turns it on, you're going to see me. I'm going to stop it. So there's my fabulous video. I'll have them save the video. And I'm going to show you how easy and quick it is to actually just add this right into your course. So it saved the video. Here's our great video we just did. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to go ahead and continue. Okay, and then it allows me, of course, to put text before. I tell the students, you really need to watch this video before you do this. Practicing is so important. Remember, we created the rubrics together in class. I could also add text afterwards, write a one-paragraph overview of who you practiced with and what you learned, what have you. And then I click Save. And you can see it automatically puts it in the ebook right at that point. So they've just looked at creating supporting visuals before they look at practice their presentation. All of a sudden, there is a picture of me, which I'm sure is just what they want to see. They click on it, and I'm talking to them right in their ebook. It's such an amazing tool to engage with your students and help them do their reading and focus on what's most important. I want to tell you one other really neat tool that I like in MindTap, and this is about helping students focus on what's most important. So let's say the students watch this video. However, right here, I want them to realize this is really a key point to this chapter. Now, I don't know about your students, but mine often have trouble at the beginning of the term deciding what are the most important things in the chapter. And I always wish, sometimes we highlight the textbook together, but MindTap will allow me to annotate the text and push it out to my students. Let me show you how easy it is. So let's say right here, this was a really key paragraph that I wanted to make sure every student knew. Now, I could highlight it for myself in my own book if I was going to lecture from that, but if I want to highlight it in my student's book, I click this orange highlight with the arrow on it, and that automatically gets pushed out to my students' book. And they know anything in orange is something that Professor Orr has highlighted for me. Maybe it was this paragraph and it was really important and I highlight it. Now let's say I was going to lecture and I wanted to remember to talk about that. I could highlight it in a different color just for me. Here's another really cool thing that I can do. In addition to highlighting, I can leave my students a note. So if this was even more, I wanted to do more than leave them a video and more than highlight, I could click on Add a Note, and then I could say, this is really important, remember the rubrics we created, whatever. And if I click on this share button, it's automatically going to put this post-it note right here in my students' ebook. So as the students reading along, they see a video I've recorded, then they see that I highlighted something for them. They can click on this post-it note and see what it is that I left for the students. Now, where else can they find these? So let's say a student doesn't have time to go through the whole chapter. Hopefully they would. And look, but if they just wanted to pull out the things that they've highlighted or that I've highlighted, here's where they're going to find those. They can go over here to their Study Hub, and when they get into Study Hub, if they go to Notes and Highlights, they can see everything that they've highlighted, and they can see everything that their instructor has highlighted for them. So they can actually go in and print this right out if they want all of their notes for one chapter. And they can see any kind of post-it notes that I've left them or anything they've highlighted themselves. So these are just some really great tools to engage with our students. We can give them some great videos, we can do highlights for them, and we can leave them post-it notes. I look forward to talking to you in the next video.